In the first few months of a baby's life, they can only breathe through their noses. A blocked nose can make feeding and sleeping really difficult for your baby. FESS Little Noses Saline Nasal Spray. Gentle and natural relief for blocked noses. Our preservative-free and non-medicated spray is suitable for newborns and babies up to 2 years of age. Australia's #1 saline range, approved by the National Asthma Council Australia. A soft spray that helps clear baby's nasal congestion to loosen nasal mucus, leaving baby to breathe easier while they get a good night's sleep. How to use FESS Little Noses Saline Spray. Step 1. Sit baby upright or lying down and place nozzle at entrance of their nostril. Step 2. Press the spray pump. Apply 1 to 3 sprays per nostril. Repeat as often as needed. Easy to use pump with a soft spray, ideal for little noses. Step 3. Gently wipe your baby's nose. Repeat as often as needed to help clear your baby's nasal passages for feeding and a restful sleep, helping your baby breathe easier naturally. For the difficult to remove mucus and crusts inside your baby's nose, FESS Little Noses Spray is also available with an aspirator, also available in drops, and FESS Children's for 2 years and over. Available at all major pharmacies. www.fess.com.au